Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video we will see how we can manage bookmarks in our M365 admin center. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, let's understand what are bookmarks. So bookmarks basically help us users quickly to find important sites, SharePoint sites and tools with just a search. Each bookmark includes title, URL, a set of user-friendly keywords to trigger the bookmarks and a category. So friends, let's go to our lab environment and let's understand better about the bookmarks. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our M365 admin center. We will expand the settings and here you will find search and intelligence. So if I will click on it, now you will see multiple tabs. So you have to click on answers. Then here you will find bookmarks. So I have already pre-created some of the bookmarks, but let me show you how we can create a new bookmark. So for creating a bookmark, I will just simply click on add bookmark and let me open the SharePoint site as well. Alright, so I have opened SharePoint Admin Center in the new tab. So first of all, you have to enter the title of the bookmark which you want to keep. So let's see, if I'll go to active sites of the SharePoint, I will create a bookmark for my site organization template. So let me open this site in the new tab. Okay, so here first of all you can enter the title. Okay, so I have given the name template book for this bookmark. Now it is asking us to enter the URL, so we will just simply copy the URL of the SharePoint site. Let me paste it. Okay, now you can write about the description about this bookmark if you want. If not, you can just leave it as it is. I will just simply copy my title and just simply paste it the same thing. Now here you can enter the terms which people will use to find this particular bookmark, like the site name is org template site. So if you want like other keywords to identify this bookmark, so you can enter it over here. Like it is suggesting you some of the bookmarks, so I will select the first one. Let me select the second keyword. If you want, you can add more keywords over here. So I will also give the name template. So you can also enter as many as keyword you want over here. Now if you want reserve keywords to enter, you can enter it over here. So reserve keywords basically means, like if I will type it here template, so specifically for this site, if you will search template, only this bookmark will show up. So I will leave it as it is. In the categories, here you can choose the categories to filter your organized keywords. So I will select ST locations. Now there are few more bookmark settings, so you can choose where this result should be published. So if you want always available this bookmark, you can select this. Either you can choose start or end date. I will leave it as it is. Then you can specify the country or region, like if you want to make it available for all the countries, you can select it, or you can either select a specific countries or region. Then you have the groups, like people in everyone in your organization, specific group in your organization. If you'll select it, you will get here the option to add the security group. However, this option is basically grayed out. As you can see, this option, people with existing access, is only available for the system recommended bookmarks. So we will because this is a custom one, you are not getting this option, people with existing access. Then you can specifically target the device and OS, like if you want to see if you want users to see this bookmark in the search results, you can select all device, or maybe you can select the specific device and OS. Then the targeted variation, so you can target bookmark content to different users based on the device and location. So that's the the settings of the bookmark which you can choose. Then we have the power app, like you can enter the app ID for the power apps. So we will leave it as it is. Now once you will click on publish, so this basically the bookmark will get published. Okay, so here is our bookmark which we have just now created, you can see just now, and it is modified by me. These are the keywords and this is the category. So it takes a certain amount of time for this keyword for this bookmark to come up in the search results. So if I have pre-created some of my bookmarks, which I will show you, like if user will search based on the keyword or maybe the bookmark, how it will exactly look like. So like this is my bookmark which I created a long back. It was modified by me today, but it was created long back. So if you will see, this is the document library and these are the settings of the bookmark. This is the site URL I've entered, description about it. You can see there is the keyword or document library using which it can be searched, and these are the settings of the bookmarks. So once you will create these bookmarks, so if you'll go to the M365 admin center, and if any user will type document library and press enter, so here you will see this is my bookmark. It will show you like this. I have created some other bookmarks as well. So if I will go back here, you can see we have a bookmark with a spatial leaf. So I have entered the keywords using which it should be come up in the search results. So you can see these are the keywords. So if you will use this keyword to perform search, so if I will use this keyword for performing search, you can see I'm getting the results of the bookmark. Similarly, if I will select another keyword, this is not relevant, but I have entered this keyword. Let's see whether we get these search results or not. So again, since I have entered this as a keyword, I am getting the search results. So there is also a limit of creating only 5,000 bookmarks in a single tenant, and Microsoft Search can also recommend you the bookmarks from any internal SharePoint sites, regardless of the language or using which you have created that site. And one more thing, this Microsoft Search bookmark will also appear in the Microsoft Teams client search results. So friends, that's how we can create a bookmark in our M365 admin center, and you can use these keywords to get the results of the bookmarks. So now user can simply, once he will click on it, he can navigate to that specific site by searching with the help of a bookmark keyword. So friends, this concludes our video demonstration of how to create a bookmark in M365 admin center.
For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.